This might be the first phone that makes premium flagships look overpriced. The K90 Pro Max is loaded, a 120Hz AMOLED, 100-watt fast charging, a 50-megapixel triple camera setup, and a chip that's faster than some laptops. At around 500 euros, this thing shouldn't even exist at this price point. So I spent a few days with it to see what corners Xiaomi actually cut. Now, let's start with how it actually feels in your hand, because the first impression says a lot. This thing feels serious the moment you pick it up. It's built with dragon crystal glass on the front and an aluminum frame, giving it that high-end look without being slippery. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, so an accidental splash or a quick drop in the sink isn't the end of the world. At 7.9 millimeters thin and around 218 grams, it's slightly heavier than average, but the balance is just right. It feels sturdy and not bulky. And when it comes to the display, this phone easily plays in flagship territory. It's rocking a massive 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED panel that hits 3,500 nits of brightness. That's brighter than most laptops and even outshines the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The 120Hz refresh rate keeps everything silky smooth, and the 68 billion color depth gives movies and games that deep, rich contrast. Add Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, and you're looking at one of the best panels you can get for the price. If display quality matters to you, this one doesn't miss. Now let's talk about what's inside, because that's where things get interesting. Xiaomi went all in with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, built on a 3nm process. It's faster, cooler, and more efficient than anything they've ever used before. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, this thing doesn't slow down no matter what you throw at it. Apps open instantly, heavy games like Genshin Impact run buttery smooth, and even with 20 apps open in the background, it doesn't stutter. Xiaomi's new HyperOS 3 on Android 16 feels surprisingly refined. Clean animations, no bloat, no weird lag, no random ads. And there's a moment when you realize speed isn't just about numbers, it's about never having to think about waiting. That's exactly what this phone delivers. When it comes to cameras, Xiaomi didn't play it safe either. You get three 50-megapixel lenses, main, telephoto, and ultra-wide. The main sensor with optical stabilization captures crisp, detailed shots even in low light. The telephoto gives you clean 5x optical zoom without that weird digital mess. And the ultra-wide keeps edges sharp without the weird fisheye stretch. Videos hold up strong too, 8K at 30 FPS or 4K at 60 with HDR10+ support. Even the 32-megapixel selfie camera shoots in 4K, which is rare in this price range. Whether it's vlogging or just casual photos, you get natural, realistic results without needing heavy filters. Now let's move on to something every user actually cares about: battery life. The K90 Pro Max packs a massive 7,560 mAh battery. That's nearly 30% larger than what most flagships offer. It easily lasts 2 days of normal use, and even if you're gaming or streaming for hours, you'll get a full day comfortably. Charging speeds are wild: 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless. It even supports reverse wireless charging for your earbuds. From 0 to full takes roughly 30 minutes, which is ridiculous for a battery this big. And then there's the sound, something most brands overlook. This phone features Bose-tuned dual stereo speakers with a dedicated woofer, and you can actually hear and feel the depth in the bass. It supports Dolby Atmos, high-res audio, and even wireless high-res over Bluetooth. Sure, there's no headphone jack, but that's the trade-off for keeping it slim. Connectivity is top tier: Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared remote, and a USB-C 3.2 port that supports video output. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the display: fast, accurate every single time. Now here's where everything comes together: the price. This entire setup comes in around 500 euros or roughly $550. That's less than half of what you'd pay for a Galaxy S25 Ultra or iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it delivers about 90% of the same experience. Sure, it's big and there's no expandable storage, but for the money, this combination of display, performance, battery, and camera just can't be beaten right now. If you want the best all-around Android flagship for the price, this is it. Sometimes the smartest choice isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that simply does everything right. So that's the Redmi K90 Pro Max, a phone that quietly outperforms many loud, overpriced flagships. Would you pick this over a Samsung or OnePlus in 2025? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more honest, real-world reviews, you know what to do.